sound word. Okay? A sound word. A. What we say? A. Understand everyone? A. See. We already learned our 2-letter words. Okay? You all know na? I taught you previously 2-letter words. So tell me. ये क्या लिखा है बच्चों? T. Okay? Again, speak with me, kids. Now what will we do? We will join some letters before this at. Okay? So it will become 3-letter words. Okay? See. We will put B, previous at. B, at. B, at. Bat. B, at, bat. Understand? B-A-T, bat. B at bat. Again, B at bat. Understand all my kids? Now next one. Okay. Now we will put C before at. Now tell me kids, which spelling will become? At. Okay. To at. At. Cat. Again. at cat. at cat. यानी cat. But we will read at cat. See the picture? किसका पिक्चर है ये? Cat का. Okay. Now next one. We will put R before at. See kids? R at rat. At rat. Read it. At rat. R-A-T, rat. See kids? Which picture is this? Rat. Again we will read three spellings. Repeat it. B at bat. B at bat. C at cat. At cat. At rat. At rat. Means bat, cat and rat. Now next one. See kids. Egg. What we will read? Egg. What we will read? Egg. Again speak with me kids. Egg. Okay? Now we will put some letter before this egg. See picture. See this picture. Which picture is this? Bat. Now we will see how the back spelling will become. Okay? Egg. We will put B before egg. B, egg, bag. B, egg, bag. Again. B, egg, bag. Now next one. Now we will put R before egg. Okay? Egg. Egg, rag. Egg, rag. See? Rag's picture is there. R, egg, rag. R-A-G, rag. R, egg, rag. Okay. Now next one. We will put T before egg. T, T. T, T. T, T, egg, tag. T, T, egg, tag. Again. T, T, egg, tag. See, that is a tag because it is a new bag. हम जो भी न्यू चीज़ खरीदते हैं उसमें टैग आता है ना बच्चों. इट इज़ अ टैग. T, egg, tag. T-A-G, tag. T, egg, tag. Okay? Repeat it. B, egg, bag. R, egg, rag. T, egg, tag. Understand everyone? Now next one. See. A, N, N. A, N, N. N. Repeat it. N. Kids, repeat with me. I want all of you to repeat with me. Okay, kids? N. 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 Okay. Now we will put the letters before this N. Okay. We will put P. 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 N. Pen. Look at this picture of a pen. आपके घर में है ना पेन? मम्मी खाना पकाते हैं. Yes. P, N, pen. P, N, pen. Again. P, N, pen. Pen. Next one. Now we will put F before N. So which word will become? Tell me, kids. F for and fan. F for and fan. F for and fan. Repeat with me, kids. F for and fan. Look at this picture also. Okay, kids? You have to recognize the picture also. F for and fan. Now next one. We will put V before N. Okay. V, and van. V, and van. V, and van. V, and van. V-A-N, van. Look at this picture of a van. Now repeat these three words, okay? P for and pen. F for and fan. V for and van. Okay, बच्चों? Now next one. A-D-D. Add. What will we read? Add. Okay? Now we will put letters. We will put here L. Okay? L, add, lead. L, add, lead. Again. L, add, lead. Now next one. D. We will put here D. D, add, dad. Again. D, add, dad. Repeat it. D, add, dad. Look at this picture. Dad's picture is there. Okay. D dog add. Dad. D-A-D, dad. D dog add dad. Now next one we will put P. Okay. P paw add pad. P paw. P paw add pad. Again pad. Again P paw add pad. Understand everyone? Repeat it. L add lad. D add dad. P paw add pad. Okay, look at this picture of pad. Now next one. A-M. A-M. M. 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 Again M. Again M. Now we will put letter before M. See? J. Jaw. J. Jaw. M. Jam. J. Jaw. M. Jam. Again repeat kids. J. Jaw. M. Jam. Again J. Jaw. M. Jam. Look at the picture of a jam. You all like jam? Yes kids? Yes. Now we will put D. D. Dog. M. Dam. Look at this dam. डैम में बहुत सारा पानी होता है, आपने देखा है? ओके. डी डॉ एम डैम. अगेन डी डॉ एम डैम. अगेन डी डॉ एम डैम. नाउ वी विल रिपीट दिस वर्ड्स. ओके. जे ज एम जैम. डी डॉ एम डैम. Now next one. P paw. P paw. Paw. Again app. App. Repeat with me kids. App. App. Now we will put C before app. Look at here. C app. Cap. Look at the picture of a cap. C app. Cap. C-A-P. Cap. C app. Cap. C app. Cap. Again. C app cap. Repeat with me kids. C app cap. Now we will do change. We will put M before app. M more. M more. M more app map. Look at the picture of a map. It's India map. India's map. हमारा भारत का मैप है. ओके. M app map. M app map. M app map. Okay kids? I hope you understand. So what we have learned here? Sound of A. Okay? Sound of